people.
Nandito po ako, sumusuporta po ako sa dating Presidente Duterte dahil maganda naman po ang ginawa niya sa bayan natin. Opo, maganda po ang ginawa niya sa bayan natin. Marami pong mga natulungan na mamamayan, lalo na mga mamahirap. At saka nung panahon ng pandemic, marami po siyang tinulungan panahon ng pandemic.
Para sa akin, okay naman. Dahil sa naibalik niya yung tiwala ng mga tao.
Ang pinakagusto ko sa kanya, talagang pag sinabi niya, natutupad naman ginagawa niya, at saka action man siya
While Rodrigo Duterte was in political office, he waged a deadly war on drugs. His actions in that war led to his detention at The Hague, where he awaits trial for crimes against humanity. But that has not kept his supporters from putting him back in office by a landslide. During midterm elections in May 2025, Duterte was elected mayor of the southern city of Davao. It's a position
people see as basic, in terms of providing safety on the streets, especially at night, going after criminals and drug traffickers. So people, especially long for this kind of discipline that they thought Rodrigo Duterte, the former president,
in order. And what does the outcome of the midterm elections mean for his future and that of his political dynasty?
Bago pa siya naging presidente, dito na siya. Kaya nga proud kami na kasi nakita kasi namin yung status ng pagiging politiko ni Mayor Duterte nung una pa. So nadisiplina niya yung Davao, sa laki ng Davao, if you notice, sa laki ng Davao, nakayanan niya.
But behind his folksy appeal
for those son of a ilan? 3,000? I will kill more if only to get rid of drugs.
Duterte